Radon is a cancer-causing radioactive gas that has been found in schools, buildings, and homes across the globe. It comes from the natural breakdown of uranium and thorium in soil, rock, and water. Radon typically moves up through the ground to the air above and can get into a school or other building through cracks and holes in the foundation. This is especially true when the air pressure inside a building is lower than the pressure in the soil under the foundation. With this difference in pressure, a building acts like a vacuum, drawing radon inside. Radon can even enter a building through well water and get into the air that people breathe. According to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, a nationwide survey of radon levels in schools calculates that nearly 1 in 5 has at least one schoolroom with a short-term radon level above the action level. In fact, the EPA estimates that more than 70,000 schoolrooms in use today have high short-term radon levels. The agency ranks indoor radon among the most serious environmental health problems facing the nation. After smoking, it is the second leading cause of lung cancer in the United States, causing an estimated 21,000 lung cancer deaths a year. One cannot see, smell, or taste radon, so the only way to know if elevated radon levels are present is to test for it. Fortunately, testing for radon is relatively inexpensive, and the EPA recommends testing all schools for it. If test results indicate elevated levels, there are radon reduction systems that can be installed to reduce indoor levels. New schools, homes, and buildings can even be constructed with radon-resistant features built right in. These are just a few things to know about radon in schools. To learn more about this or other building science, indoor air quality, industrial hygiene, environmental health, or safety issues, please visit the website shown on the screen.
IAQ TV, the place to be.